Welcome, everyone. My name is Amelia, and I'm your virtual host for this three-part lecture series, Advanced Visualization and Imagery Training. I'm thrilled you're continuing this journey with us. In recent sessions, you've explored the crucial roles of perseverance and grit in achieving your long-term goals. You also learned how cultivating that tenacious spirit and pushing beyond your perceived limits are fundamental to success. Now we're going to pivot slightly and build upon some foundational concepts discussed in previous lectures, the incredible power of visualization and imagery training. Today, we're taking it to the next level, diving into advanced techniques that can significantly enhance your manifesting game. Our primary focus in this session, advanced visualization techniques, is to truly understand the distinction between simple imagination and what we call true visualization. While imagination is a wonderful human capacity, the ability to form mental images of things not currently present or experienced, true visualization is a more focused and deliberate process. It's about intentionally creating vivid, multi-sensory mental experiences that closely simulate real-life situations or desired outcomes. The key difference lies in the level of intention and sensory engagement. Imagination can be passive and fleeting, whereas visualization is structured, purposeful, and directly aligned with our goals. Crucially, true visualization goes beyond just seeing pictures in your mind. It involves actively engaging all of your senses to create a realistic and immersive experience. This leads us to the critical technique of creating multi-sensory mental rehearsals. To truly harness the power of visualization, we need to go beyond just the visual aspect. We want to make our mental experiences as rich and real as possible by incorporating all relevant senses. Yeah, think about it. What would you see in this scenario? Vividly imagine the sights, the colors, the specific details of the environment. What would you hear? Imagine the sounds, the voices, perhaps even music that might be present. What would you feel? Engage your kinesthetic sense by imagining the physical sensations, the movements your body would make, and the emotions you would experience. And don't forget the less commonly used senses. What might you smell or even taste in this situation? Let's take a few examples. If you're preparing for a sports performance, don't just see yourself making the winning shot. Imagine the roar of the crowd, auditory, the feel of the ball in your hand, kinesthetic, the bright lights of the arena, visual, and perhaps even the faint smell of the freshly cut grass, olfactory. If you have a public speaking engagement coming up, visualize not only yourself confidently delivering your presentation, visual, but also the sound of your own voice, auditory, the feeling of your feet planted firmly on the stage, kinesthetic, and perhaps even the subtle scent of the room, olfactory. For a creative project, imagine the look of your finished work, visual, the satisfying sound of the final piece falling into place, auditory, the texture of the materials in your hands, kinesthetic, and any associated smells like paint or wood, olfactory. By consistently engaging multiple senses in our mental rehearsals, we make the experience more impactful and more closely aligned with reality in our minds. Now, let's explore a fascinating application of advanced visualization, accelerated learning. You might be surprised to discover just how powerfully visualization can enhance the acquisition of new skills. The science behind this lies in the strengthening of neural pathways. Mental practice, through vivid visualization, actually activates many of the same brain regions that are used during physical practice. This reinforces the learning process, even when you're not physically performing the activity. Furthermore, visualization significantly improves focus and concentration. By deliberately creating these mental scenarios, you're training your mind to eliminate distractions and maintain mental clarity on the task at hand. Perhaps most importantly, seeing yourself succeed in your mind's eye can dramatically increase your motivation and confidence. By mentally rehearsing positive outcomes and navigating potential challenges, you build a stronger belief in your ability to achieve your goals in the real world. We see examples of accelerated learning through visualization in numerous fields. Athletes routinely visualize perfect form and technique before training or competition. Surgeons mentally walk through complex procedures step by step. Musicians visualize flawless performances, feeling the music and the movements. All of these practices contribute to faster and more effective skill acquisition. To summarize our key takeaways for this session, remember that true visualization is more than just imagination. It's a focused and multisensory mental rehearsal. Actively engaging multiple senses, sight, sound, feeling, smell, and taste, significantly enhances the effectiveness of your visualizations. And finally, understand that visualization is a powerful tool for accelerated learning, improving focus, and boosting confidence by strengthening neural pathways and building belief in your abilities. For your journaling prompt this week, I want you to consider: how can you consciously incorporate multisensory visualization into your daily practice to enhance your learning and performance in specific areas of your life? What specific scenarios or goals can you focus on visualizing to create more vivid and effective mental rehearsals, engaging as many of your senses as possible? In our next session, we'll move from theory to practice as we explore concrete strategies for implementing these advanced visualization techniques into your daily routine. I look forward to seeing you there. Have a blessed day. Thank you.